The Forbidden Calabash. In the quiet village of Umuaka, buried deep in the heart of Igbo land, there was a shrine no one dared enter, Ogwoguyudin. At its center sat an old, dusty calabash bound in red and black thread, known only in whispers as the Forbidden Calabash. They said it could speak. That it could grant your deepest desire, or destroy your bloodline forever. Nnanna, a curious and bold young man, returned from the city after news of his father's mysterious death reached him. The elders claimed his father, the last guardian of Ogwoguyudin, died of a snake bite. But Nnanna's instinct screamed otherwise. His uncle, Ichimotsi, warned him, "Do not go near the shrine, Nnanna. Your father died for disobeying the gods. Some calabashes are better left sealed." But Nnanna remembered his father's last words, whispered with trembling lips as he lay dying, They opened it. Not me. Find the truth." That night, guided by moonlight and stubborn resolve, Nnanna crept into the forest. The air around the shrine was thick, almost alive. Crickets stopped singing. Even the wind dared not rustle the leaves. He found the calabash, glowing faintly in the dark. Something tugged at his spirit. He hesitated. Then opened it. A cold wind burst forth, knocking him to the ground. Inside the calabash was not water, not wine, but a single cowrie shell and a lock of grey hair, his father's. The calabash whispered, "He was betrayed. The one who wears the red cap." Nnanna gasped. Ichimotsi. As the truth burned in his chest, footsteps crunched outside. A lantern glowed through the trees. His uncle had followed him. "So, you opened it," Ichimotsi said calmly, stepping into the shrine. "Just like your father. Curious blood runs deep." "You killed him," Nnanna spat. "I protected the village." Ichi barked. "That calabash is not just a relic. It's a key. Your father wanted to use it to speak with the gods. But power like that must remain hidden." Nnanna backed away, clutching the cowrie. The shrine rumbled. Suddenly, the calabash cracked. A voice, ancient and terrible, echoed through the forest. "Balance must be restored." Ichi screamed as shadows swirled around him, dragging him into the earth. The calabash resealed itself. Nnanna stood frozen. At dawn, the elders found him kneeling before the shrine, the calabash untouched, again bound in red and black. No one asked what happened. But from that day on, the forest whispered Nnanna's name, and the calabash remained untouched. Until the next curious soul dared to open it.